let's do some miso soup today. Clear this away first. It's the easiest thing to do. Now, first of all, a bowl, definitely, and shiitake mushroom. You probably need to get the dry ones. Now, first thing that you need to do is to soften them up. Put some water, not much, just enough to cover everything, and make sure when you put it into the microwave, turn the white bits down so that it can suck up the water. Okay, now pop into the microwave. Remember to always cover it. Okay, I'm just gonna heat it up for 3 minutes, and I'm gonna leave it for 5 minutes, let the water soak in, just soft enough so that I can cut it later. Add in a minute. Alright, so let's check the mushroom to see if it's soft enough for us to cut them. Okay? So now what you need to do is, now this is the hard part that you need to remove, not remove, but cut them and put them back into the juice. Whatever you do, don't throw this away, okay? The water that you just soak the mushroom in, it has all the umami taste in it, so don't throw it away. Oh, it's hot, bloody. Do it real quick. Okay. Now the next thing that we want to do, is kombu and some seaweed. Now these are the main ingredients for any good miso soup. You need shiitake mushroom and kombu seaweed. So kombu seaweed is like this. It has this little white spots on them. Don't wash the white spots away, okay? The white spots are the good stuff. So what you need to do is just cut them up. You probably need about this much, or maybe, now let's go for a smaller piece. You probably need about this much for a single serving. Okay, cut them into strips first. Into strips, just cut them again into little square bits. Right, so the kombu is done. Next thing that we need is this kind of seaweed. I don't know what this seaweed is called, but you can get them in any Asian grocery store. Just probably about this much, or maybe lesser. Pop it in. That's it. So that's the seaweed done. Next thing, tofu. You can use hard or soft tofu, it doesn't matter. Cut the tofu up into small little bits. There you go. Alright, tofu's done. Now, the next bit is of course the miso paste. Now, usually for a single serving, I will use probably about this much, a teaspoon. Just pop it in. Add some water into it. Yep, that's about it. Put the lid back into the microwave. 5 minutes. Alright, so the 5 minutes up. Let's just take the soup out. Now it's very hot. See? Now let it sit for a while, probably half an hour or maybe longer if you want. It doesn't really matter, because all you want to do is let the mushroom soak up the flavor, let the kombu soak up all the miso flavor into them before you eat them, so the taste will balance themselves out. So let it cool down, and I'm going for a run. Maybe after I come back, we'll have a good meal, right? Alright, I'm back from running, so let's see, let's check this out. Now, it's ready to be eaten. Now usually people take miso soup with rice, and if you take it with rice, it's like a complete meal already, you know. You got rice, it's carbohydrate, and you got the seaweed, fiber, the mushroom fiber, and you have protein as well from the tofu. And it's easy to make. You don't have to. I'm not using any pots, as you can see. I just pop everything inside a bowl and into the microwave, and that's it. And like I said, it's like the basic meal for the Japanese people, and they'll eat it for almost all their meal, and it's like, yeah, super healthy. And this is my first video, and if I get rich and famous one day, this is the first one. Out. Yeah.